saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another all day clean with me. You have been loving these all day clean with me videos for a while now, so I thought I would carry them on and bring you even more cleaning motivation today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already before you leave, and if you do enjoy today's video and it brings you all the motivation that you came here looking for, please do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comments where you are watching from today, because I would love to get to know you more and find out where you're all from. But without any further ado, let's just jump straight into today's video. So I'm starting off in the kitchen today. I thought I'd mix it up a little bit because I do normally start in the bedroom because I just love having a made bed, but for some reason on this day I just really wanted to get the kitchen sorted. So I'm just going to do the washing up that I left from the night before, go ahead and wipe down all the sides and just make it clean and fresh for the day. So I started a Facebook group a few months ago and then completely forgot about it until recently. So now I've remembered, I've gone back in, and I would love for you to join me over there. I'll have a link down in the description below, and it's everything to do with the home. So cleaning motivation, decluttering, organisation, DIY makeovers, home decor and everything in between. It's also going to be a place for small YouTubers like myself to be able to post their videos without having to be pushed to the side for the hundreds of thousands of other niches on YouTube. So it is going to be exclusively for home content. So of course you don't need to be a YouTuber, just post whatever you want to do with your home, and we would love to get to know you and just have a safe place where we can all discuss and talk about our similar interests. So if you do want to be part of the community, just click the link down in the description below. So now I've done everything that needs doing in the kitchen. I've just gone through to the living room and I'm going to start on the sofa. It's just a never-ending battle. The sofa seems to get the messiest rather than the floor. Everything just gets dumped on the sofa like it's a table. So I'm just going to clear everything off and give it a good hoover, because I did say in a previous video that it doesn't get hoovered that often. The sofa just doesn't get cleaned that often, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now because it has been a little while and the crumbs and everything has built up. So I'm going to go ahead, hoover that all off before carrying on and doing the rest of the room. So now I've got the Hoover out. Before putting the other attachment on, I'm just going to go through into the kitchen because as you can see, the floor is a mess and it's so much easier going over it with the small one because it picks everything up, whereas the other one it can like bat things around sometimes because it's laminate flooring. So I'm just going to go around and pick all those little crumbs up because it's just real life here on this channel and this floor gets disgustingly bad. So I'm just going to clean all that off before changing the attachment over and doing the whole of the living room.
Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends.
I'm also over on Instagram, so if you did want to follow me on more of a daily basis and just see what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube, I will leave the link to my Instagram in the description down below. I do giveaways over there and other stuff as well, so if you do want to take part, don't forget to follow me over there and let me know that you came from YouTube.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So now I've folded the first wash load, I'm going to go upstairs and straighten out the bedroom. I usually do this first thing in the morning, but on this day I just really wanted to get the kitchen sorted first. I don't really mind what time the bedroom gets done as long as it is done by the evening, so I can get into a nicely made bed at the end of the day. So once this is all done, I can finish the small load of laundry that I've got left, and then I can just put it all away in one go.
And I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but
for so long. I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you back here in the next one.